Hello everyone, and welcome back. So have an unboxing sent from Refina here. This will be a good bit of eye candy for you. Bit of a really good unboxing here. So I'll sort of start getting into it. Looking forward to getting this unboxing done. And of course, looking forward to using what's in the box as well. So, I have packed it well. Very well. So it's a box within a box. And I got lucky by opening it the right way around, because the front there would have given it away. So it's a bit like Christmas here. So I will have to obviously assemble this, but I'll probably do that on another video. Have a separate assembly. Let's just take that one out, gent. I'll start with the slightly smaller thing here. So, another box. The Refina Superflex 3. As you can see, it's got the black handle, which is brilliant, very soft again. My blue handle, it's taken a test well on my stainless steel skimming job, and it's coming up brilliant, still smooth, still soft, so I know that the handles will be good. It feels the exact same. So the Refina 3 Superflex, they are a bit stiffer, I can feel that. So it'd be nice to try that versus their earlier Refina that I still have as well, and obviously I can first against the Ox as well, see how that fares. That's quite a good big case as well, and again, if you are ordering it, you can keep that too. So I'm looking forward to getting that going. So on to the main event then. So it's an Eibenstock. I'm not push any of the buttons. I was about to go mad there, start pushing buttons. But guys, what this is a petrol drill. I thought it was going to be heavier. That's not too bad. And so you're probably thinking a petrol drill. So the petrol drills, it's a mixing drill. And what this is really going to come into its own is obviously jobs that have no power, no electric. So you can still go on, get your beads done. No doubt this is going to mix a bucket of button, no problem. And if you're doing the likes of the pebble dashing jobs I did there, I was using an electric mixer, but I did both of them jobs the same day, where I mixed all my stuff on one job and then I had to cart it back and forward, where I could have just brought this with me to the second job and just mixed it on the job, and it would have been a bit easier for cleanup, because I had a bigger mess on one job. So things like that, it's going to be brilliant. Up on scaffold, there's a lot of people using their battery powered drills now for mixing up their K-Rend and their Weber and that. So again, up on the scaffold, no leads, that's going to be perfect for that. Again, looking forward to getting it going. It's not going to be too much. Literally looks like I'll probably just have to add oil, and there might be oil in it, but I'll just double check with all the instructions. But I'll just have to add the fuel and get it started. The exhaust seems to be on that side there. So, but this is definitely going to be a very good tool. So this is Refina sent this, and it's obviously made by Eibenstock, German, same as their trowels, German made, and we know how everybody trusts how good the Germans are making top quality tools, especially if this Eibenstock drill has anything to go with similarities to the one I already have, then I know it's going to work well. So there's the manual, so I'll have a bit of reading to do just to make sure I get it going. And of course a whisk, so I ain't going to mix anything without a whisk. It seems to be 2 bars here, but again I'll maybe just set it up on another video. That seems to be a different whisk than just colour wise than the other one, so yeah, I'll definitely be reading up the instructions first, making sure I'm putting the right oil in that in, as you would do, guys. And spark plug the front there, you see that. So I'm busting. I literally want to go out and get this started and make up a big batch of cement and test it out. Reading up about it, it does say that this will outlast any battery drill basically. So it's a wee bit of food for thought if you're thinking of maybe getting a battery one. But again, you would have to use this outside because it will give off some fumes. Probably not much, probably very similar to a chainsaw, or them still saws. There's still saws for cutting the blocks. So pull cord on it, easy start button, and then obviously a trigger here for mixing. Again, don't want to push too many things before I read it up, but definitely very excited, guys, to get that going. Gives you a bit of a close up here. Of this bad boy here. Maybe try and put all them stats that I was talking about how long it'll last and that. Yeah. But yeah, guys, it's when that whisk's on, it will sit on them 2 brackets. But definitely looking forward to getting this bad boy on the go and seeing, I can maybe try and count how many buckets a fuel tank does that way. But I know for sure that there's been jobs, you don't need a generator if you have this, if you're mixing for concrete or anything like that, or probably really come into its own on some of the big commercial tiling jobs that guys do, that you would need maybe 5 leads to get you going to the front door. There's a lot of big commercial jobs that have a lot of tiling, and this will probably really come into its own for certain jobs like that. What's it say there? DHV the front. I'm not sure. Refina on the bars, and Eibenstock Germany, and Eibenstock at the front there as well. So, but I'll give you a wee look at the triggers. So obviously that will be on, and trigger there. You more likely obviously start it up with the pull cord here, and you might need to flick it on first. Like I said, I haven't read, but I've just literally opened it there, so I haven't read anything about it. So you'll probably flick it on, get it started, and then the trigger will most likely then spin the mixing fin and get your mix whipped up. So guys, definitely hope you like this as much as me. and obviously keep on hitting the thumbs up, and I appreciate all the support, especially now we've just reached 3,000 subscribers, so I'm going to really keep on pushing on with the demo videos. I know a lot of you appreciate the demo videos and that, but you know, keep on going and the videos will keep on coming. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully next video on this you'll be getting a good see on my testing out on the mixing of this drill.
Brothers, what we do in life echoes in eternity.